Ever dreamed of making your own 3D animated story videos but thought it was too hard or expensive? What if I told you that you can do it for free, right from your laptop, using powerful AI tools? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to create stunning 3D animation stories without any experience or paid software. Let's go! By the end of this video, you'll know the best free AI tools for 3D animation, how to write your script and generate characters, how to animate scenes and create voiceovers, how to export and upload your finished video to YouTube. Here are the top free tools we'll be using: Storyboard AI to write your animated script, Animaker or Renderforest, free plans, for drag and drop animation, ElevenLabs, free tier, for realistic AI voiceovers, Canva for background visuals and scene planning, CapCut or in video to put everything together and export in HD. You can use a browser, no software installation needed. Step 1, write a short story or script, 3-4 scenes. Use ChatGPT or Storyboard AI to generate a compelling plot. Step 2, use Animaker or Renderforest to create your scenes. Choose character templates, set backgrounds, and type in your dialogues. Step 3, go to ElevenLabs.io, paste your dialogues, and generate a natural voiceover. Download the audio. Step 4, import everything into CapCut or in video. Add your visuals, voiceover, subtitles, and background music. Step 5, export in HD, upload to YouTube, and boom, your AI-generated 3D animation is ready. Keep scenes short, 5-7 seconds each. Use voiceovers to enhance story flow. Add sound effects and smooth transitions. Stick to royalty-free background music. InVideo and CapCut both offer this. Use YouTube chapters to break your story into clear segments. And that's how you create professional-looking 3D animation story videos using 100% free AI tools. No prior skills needed. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to AI Insight Hub, and let me know in the comments what AI tools you want me to break down next.